MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks.
Look at this beast, a 2014 Kenworth T800, a 550 horsepower, 18-speed, 62-inch flat roof sleeper. This is a super clean heavy haul spec here with a 25K pusher axle. It sits at 701,000 on the miles. It's got all the goods, including dual exhaust, spotlights, fog lights, and a headache rack, just to name a few. This truck's got 20-50 torque for optimum strength and durability. You've got 20K fronts, 46K rears, and a 4.10 rear ratio, a 150-gallon fuel tank, and a 90-gallon fuel tank on this one. And under the hood, you've got a great one, a Cummins ISX15 with a Fuller 18-speed transmission. We'll go inside now. The interior shines after our detail work. Check out the sleeper and the dash that has it all. If you want this truck, a 2014 Kenworth T800 heavy haul truck here, call MHC Denver at 888-592-4070.